Hello, collective. Just wanted to, be on here for a minute. Can't go live, but I'm on here. Wanted to, show you guys what I'm making here. I call this like a self-treat. Like a self-treat type of thing. You know how it is when you really feel like treating yourself. That was chocolate sauce. Anyways, this is some fruit covered in strawberry with 3 bricks. 3 cookie bricks. Excuse me. With a little hint of hyper as hell. Happy 4th, everyone. With a little hint of the coffee garnish. Okay. You'll see the video once I posted. You'll see that I've made a a self-service train, I guess. I felt a little down earlier, so I guess it, the weather changing, and everything. Just like impatience or something, I don't know. But what I will say, guys, keep your head up. Sunny side. I don't know. Have a wonderful day.